Hi guys, Spencer from Buildapreneur here, and if you're looking to get people to literally beg you to buy through your affiliate link, stay tuned. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, you need to subscribe to this channel. Click down below and click that bell. Now let's talk a little about these bonuses, okay? The bonus structure that I use. I've used this exact formula to win cars, cruises, money, all kinds of things in affiliate marketing bonus contests. They work, and they work really, really well. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is this. The fact that most affiliates overcomplicate their bonuses, okay? When you look at most affiliates' bonuses, they end up putting, stacks and stacks of useless crap together. Basically everything that they digitally have access to, right? Anything that they can possibly have that's a digital product, they pile it all together, they put it on a big page, and then they sit there and they wonder, well, why isn't anybody buying for my bonuses? Does that sound familiar? Have you guys seen some pretty terrible looking bonuses before? When really bonuses come down to two things, okay? They don't come down to quantity. They come down to an irresistible offer. They come down to something that's just this package of items that is so irresistible that they don't really even care about the main product. They want those items. And then the second thing is getting a lot of people that it applies to hear about it. Okay, that's all you need. You need a package that is so irresistible that they literally drool when they look at it. And then you need all the people that would drool to find out about it. So let's talk about how we can do that, okay? For the bonuses, it comes down to four things: software, training, time, and templates. Okay, that is the basket of affiliate bonus goodness that is going to win you every affiliate marketing contest. Let's go through each one of them. The first one I want to talk about is software. This is something most affiliates have probably not thought of. It's honestly a terrifying word, like create my own software. Well, how could I ever create my own software? That's why I got into affiliate marketing. I don't want to create softwares. But it doesn't have to be as complicated as you make it. There are a few particular types of softwares that can provide a lot of value to your audience, cost very little to you, and have almost no maintenance cost or time. Okay, and the three things are Chrome extensions, WordPress plugins, and iPhone and Android apps. Okay, those three things, they're hosted elsewhere. You create them one time, and you can do so for very, very cheap, and we'll show you how. And they're still able to provide a ton of value to your audience. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at first at the affiliate product that you're promoting. And then you're going to have to spend some time. You're going to have to get creative. Okay, that's what entrepreneurship is about. It's about being creative. And you're going to try to think of something you could make that could assist in that, right? That can help people that are going to use that product in an additional way, whether it's with that product or just an additional way in their business. And once you've come up with that, you're going to go to Upwork.com. Okay, Upwork.com is a place where you hire freelancers. You can see it on the screen here. And you're going to look for a software developer. And you're going to find software developers for like $7 an hour, and you're going to find software developers for like $200 an hour. Okay, for some of if it's a simple Chrome extension or a simple WordPress plugin, you're going to be able to do it for $10 to $15 an hour. And they're going to be able to do it in 20 hours, which means it's only going to cost you a couple $100 to have a software. Now think about it, it's on Chrome, right? It's a Chrome extension, meaning Chrome is doing the hosting, Chrome is doing everything for you. All you've got to do is create it, upload it, and you're done. Same thing with WordPress. WordPress does all the hard stuff, right? All you've got to do is create this plugin, and then people can upload it to their site, and it runs, right? You don't have to host anything for most plugins. So that's why I love those ones so much. So all you're going to do is you're going to go create this little piece of software that's a couple $100 that provides value in addition to the affiliate product that you're promoting, and then you're going to offer it to them. And you can do this in any niche. This isn't just for like the make money online niche, right? People that are trying to lose weight can use softwares. They can use apps. There's things that they use to help keep track of how much weight loss they're having and things like that. Like there's tons of different ways you can provide value to all kinds of niches with software. The second way you can do this is actually using white labeled softwares, and most people don't even know this exists. But all you've got to do is Google search, okay? Bing, white label softwares, enter. Boom, you're going to get a bunch of different options for where you can, sorry, I'm stumbling over my tongue there. You can buy access to softwares where you now have the right to sell or give away, as a bonus, that software. So you're going to Google it, and you're going to go to jvzoo.com, and a lot of softwares that sell on jvzoo.com actually give you options to buy the software and then buy the rights to market and sell the software yourself. Okay, so there's two ways you can do it. You can build your own, or you can just go out and find someone that's already built it. Like obviously this is the easier route. It's obviously not going to be as unique to you, but it still can provide value and give them access to that software that people intrinsically find value in. Let's talk about the second thing here, templates. Most affiliates love to give training. Right? We all love to give training. And they think that, I'm giving access to like the training on this and a training on this and a training on this and a training on this. But you need to stop and think about what that really means. Because training, when I hear training, I hear, I'm going to give you work to do. Right? I'm going to give you work, meaning you're going to have to go take all my training. And then that's really not even going to help you. You're going to have to go and apply it to your business, which is a lot of work. Templates are the exact opposite. You're saying, I'm going to remove work from you. I'm going to help you make money or lose weight or whatever it is that you're trying to do, and remove work at the same time. Okay, so think like email. Well, what am I thinking here? Think like email templates, and even better, one-click, import email templates. There's a lot of email autoresponders that'll actually let you click one button and import an entire set of emails that you can then turn on and start putting your list through, and it literally takes 1, maybe 2 minutes to do. Same thing with sales funnels, right? ClickFunnels will let you create funnels, and those funnels can be imported with one click into someone's account, and then all they've got to do is change out a few links and send traffic to it. So you've got to think here, like how can I provide the easiest possible route for them to where I'm saying, hey, I'm going to make your life easier, not harder. A lot of affiliate programs will actually let you share a template, and then you can get affiliate commissions from the people that accept your template and sign up for the program through your template. Works really well. Now, a third one is training, because inevitably people do want to know stuff, right? And there is value in training. So you will always, always, always provide some kind of digital training because it's easy. It's free once you've created it. It's even free to create, and there's still some value in there that people are going to find. And then the last thing, and this is the thing that affiliates hate to give, and people that want to buy love to get, and that is time. No matter what, people know that once they start getting into this stuff that you're trying to get them into, they're going to hit snags, right? We all hit snags, and they're going to hit times where they're watching your training or they're using their templates, and they can't quite see how it plays into their business model because everyone's unique. And if you can spend 30 minutes on the phone with them, work out the 3 or 4 technical glitches. Seriously, I've got on phone calls where it's like 2 minutes in, they're like, oh, I'm done. That's like literally what I wanted to talk about. I wanted you to show me that. And I just couldn't find that answer online. And I had it in my head because I've been in ClickFunnels for years, and I know the little things that they're talking about. So very, very quickly, time can make people say, oh, I'm all in. Like, that's exactly what I want. I want someone to mentor me. And if I can't tell you how many times on Facebook I've looked and people are like, who offers time? Like, who can help me, mentor me, not just give me a bunch of digital training where I gotta spend hours and hours going through it and then find out that the answer to my question wasn't even in there. I already knew all this stuff in that training, et cetera, et cetera. So time is kind of the cherry on top of your bonuses. Obviously, you don't want to do that for every contest, but if it's a contest that you really want to win where there's a lot of money involved, time is the number one way to do it. All right, now let's talk about marketing. You want to learn how to actually make people find out about this bonus, right? You've got this amazing package. You just spent a bunch of money creating and a bunch of time. Now, how are you going to get the world to find out about it, and specifically the people that that it applies to that actually will benefit from the affiliate product and from your bonuses? And it's actually a lot easier than you think. The first thing you've got to understand is hopefully you're friends with on Facebook with people that would do this, that are interested in your stuff. Even if it's only 10, 15 people total that, would be interested in this, that's where you start. And then what you do, all you've got to do is say, hey, to get your bonuses, you have to share this. And you're going to give them an image and you're going to give them a post. You've just got to share this image and say, hey, I just bought so-and-so's, affiliate product through Spencer because Spencer offered X, Y, Z, and the fourth one. Offered all these bonuses and it was awesome. Okay, it'll take them 30 seconds. So all I've got to do is say, if you want to buy this product through me, here's all my bonuses. All you've got to do is click this link and buy, and then 2, you've got to share on Facebook and tag me. You've got to share this particular thing on Facebook and tag me. Okay? And honestly, if your offer is irresistible, this will be no problem. This 30-second thing where they post is going to be no problem. If your offer is not irresistible, then they might have a problem with it, and you might need to relook at your offer because you can't even get someone to share something on Facebook to get access to your stuff. But what you're going to do is you're going to do that, and you're going to get the ball rolling with your own personal audience. Okay, even if you've got an email list of 100 people or 200 people, and 20 Facebook friends that would be involved in this, you're going to get the ball rolling, and they're going to share it on their profiles. And I'm going to assume that these people are friends as well with people that, you know, want what you have to offer as well, because people tend to be friends with people like them. And you get this this rolling, it rolls out and suddenly starts growing and growing, and it really takes off like a ball rolling down a hill, because you've got these awesome bonuses, and now people are actually starting to find out about them, and 10 people post about it, and then 20 people post about it, and then 30 people post about it. This is how the big names are getting, some of these big names that came out of nowhere. This is how they came out of nowhere. They made a really cool set of bonuses, and then people found out about it because they were forced to talk about it. Okay, and they were willing to, because it was an awesome set of bonuses. Okay, so all you got to do, you've got to create that amazing offer, and then you've got to get people talking about it within your circle, within your niche, and amazing things will happen. All right, now up next, you're going to see right here and right here, you're going to see access to a video that gives you 4 affiliate marketing campaigns that each generated $25,000 or more in commissions that I personally did in the last 2 years. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, I promise you're interested in that video.